In the early 2020s, a bold vision inspired humanity to dream once again of reaching Mars.
But space exploration quickly reminds us that ambition alone is never enough. Mars is not nearby. It lies across a vast and dangerous ocean of space.
Reaching Mars requires months of continuous travel through deep space.
Astronauts must endure isolation while maintaining their physical and mental strength.
Beyond Earth's protection, invisible cosmic radiation becomes a constant threat to Caucasian human life.
Readings are fluctuating. Confirm stability, Odyssey.
Stability confirmed. Control. Readings match flare trajectory.
Robotic explorers prepare the way, testing technologies before humans ever arrive.
Step by step, humanity learns how to build and live far beyond Earth. Step by step, humanity learns how to build and live far beyond Earth. Survival beyond Earth depends on using local resources instead of carrying everything from home.
Even the thin Martian atmosphere can be transformed into breathable oxygen. Reliable energy is essential where sunlight cannot always be trusted.
Future explorers must learn how to grow food far from Earth.
Mental strength is as critical as technology on long missions.
Before humans arrive, massive cargo must reach Mars safely.
Landing heavy equipment on Mars demands extraordinary precision.
Returning from Mars requires a vehicle capable of reaching orbit again.
Orbit becomes the meeting point between Mars and the journey home.
The journey back to Earth can take even longer than the journey out. After years away, Earth finally returns to view.
Returning safely to Earth is one final challenge to overcome.
All right, team, let's establish the perimeter.
Setting up the sensor array at point Gamma.
Acknowledged. External inspection shows minor charring, no breaches.
Mars is not just a destination, but a symbol of humanity's future.
Travel to Mars is only possible during precise planetary alignment windows.
Every mission must balance time, fuel, and risk through careful trajectory design. Sometimes the fastest path to Mars passes close to another planet.
The red option is cutting it too close on the fuel margin.
Agreed. The green path adds time, but the risk profile is acceptable.
It is breathtaking, isn't it?
It certainly makes the journey worthwhile. The plants are thriving.
Artificial gravity concepts aim to reduce the toll of long missions on the human body.
Choosing the right crew is as important as building the spacecraft.
Mars has an atmosphere, but it offers little protection during entry.
Crews must be prepared for emergencies with no immediate rescue.
Slowing down at Mars requires surviving extreme heat and speed.
Mars can unleash planet-wide dust storms that challenge survival.
Exploration on Mars depends on reliable surface mobility.
Every sample collected may reveal Mars's ancient secrets.
Sustainable habitats are essential for extended missions. On Mars, astronauts must become engineers and mechanics.
The search for past life drives much of Mars exploration.
Isolation can shape the human mind in unexpected ways.
Regular communication helps crews stay connected to Earth.
Scientific data travels millions of kilometers back to Earth.
Successful missions may be extended to maximize discovery.
Scientific data travels millions of kilometers back to Earth. Leaving Mars requires careful preparation and timing.
Departure marks the end of humanity's first chapter on Mars.
Mars slowly fades into the darkness of space. Every mission to Mars leaves a legacy for future generations. The long journey home begins once again.
Every mission to Mars teaches humanity how to survive farther from Earth.
Technology evolves with each success and failure in deep space.
Exploring Mars becomes a shared effort across nations and cultures.
Private innovation accelerates humanity's expansion into space. Reaching Mars requires immense investment of resources and time. Some envision Mars not just as a destination, but as a future home.
We have the capability to create a second Earth, securing humanity's future.
But at what cost? We're altering an ecosystem we don't fully understand.
Protecting Mars from contamination remains a critical responsibility.
Is it ethical to colonize Mars when
we still face such significant challenges here on Earth?
Progress toward Mars unfolds slowly, one mission at a time.
We brought the dream of the homeland to the stars.
And the architecture, it's beautiful. It feels like home.
Understanding risk is essential before sending humans to Mars.
The human body must adapt to new worlds. Redundant systems provide survival when failures occur.
It's harder than I expected to maintain focus this week.
That's perfectly normal. We just need to adjust your schedule slightly.
Understanding Martian weather improves mission safety. Precise navigation ensures safe travel across Mars.
Careful resource management determines mission success. Martian nights remind explorers how far they are from home. Breakthroughs reward years of patience and effort. Every mission is analyzed to improve the next. Every mission is analyzed to improve the next. The journey to Mars is only the beginning of humanity's future in space. Each mission paves the way for those that follow.
Faster propulsion systems could dramatically shorten the journey to Mars.
With every mission, a new era of Mars exploration begins.
Automation reduces risk and workload for future crews. Sustainable exploration depends on reliable interplanetary supply chains.
Artificial intelligence becomes a silent partner in deep space missions.
Detailed mapping guides every future landing and mission. Mars bases gradually expand as missions become longer. Water recycling is vital for survival on Mars. Sustainable farming transforms Mars into a livable environment.
Crew rotations ensure long-term human presence on Mars.
Continuous learning supports adaptation on a new world.
To staying connected, no matter the distance.
And to the next 100 souls.
Mars exploration advances technology back on Earth.
Each mission pushes farther into the unknown. Long-term planning shapes humanity's future beyond Earth.
Even on Mars, organization and governance are essential. Preparedness defines survival during unexpected crises.
Preparedness defines survival during unexpected crises.
Knowledge gathered on Mars endures beyond each mission.
Alert, pressure drop in docking clamp C.
Acknowledged. Rerouting power, cycling clamps now.
Mars may become humanity's gateway to the outer solar system.
Earth and Mars become connected chapters of one human story. Mars reshapes humanity's understanding of its place in the universe. Mars is not the end, but the beginning of humanity's journey into the cosmos. Curiosity drives humanity to keep exploring beyond known horizons. Industry on Mars reduces dependence on Earth. Construction technologies turn Martian soil into shelter.
Mars settlements slowly grow with each successful mission.
A new generation may one day call Mars home.
The atmospheric processors are behind schedule. The timeline is critical for Phase 2, Minister.
We cannot sacrifice safety for speed.
Healthcare systems adapt to life on another planet.
Mars develops its own unique cultural identity. An emerging economy supports long-term sustainability.
Education becomes the backbone of Martian society.
Protecting Mars remains a responsibility, even as we settle it. Protecting Mars remains a responsibility, even as we settle it. Efficient transportation connects Martian communities. Architecture adapts to Marsel's harsh environment.
Year 10 on Mars, and the data is clear. The human body is evolving, slowly but surely.
Mars and Earth develop a shared interplanetary relationship.
We have matured past the need for Earth's oversight. The time for true autonomy is now.
But are we ready to
Mars transforms from outpost to civilization. Humanity opens a new chapter among the stars. Mars becomes the first step toward the stars.
Mars exploration reshapes humanity's legacy.
With expansion comes responsibility to protect new worlds.
Exploration has no final destination.
Humanity's future now stretches far beyond Earth.
Every sunrise on Mars reminds humanity how far it has come.
Generations of knowledge accumulate on the red planet.
Life on Mars becomes structured through routine and purpose. Earth remains humanity's cradle, even from afar.
Night on Mars reveals the vastness of the universe.
The red planet rises, our spirits soar high. We are.
Even across millions of kilometers, humanity stays connected.
History begins anew on a second world.
Mars becomes more than survival. It becomes life.
See this ridge line here? You must follow the bearing exactly.
And the waterfall is just past the peak.
That's correct. Now, gather your gear.
Mars reflects humanity's ambitions and responsibilities. Mars prepares humanity for journeys even farther. Curiosity continues to pull humanity forward. What was once imagined now shapes reality.
Rerouting the energy flow here increases structural integrity by 20%.
That solves the resonance issue.
Agreed.
Expansion demands wisdom as much as ambition.
Look at that move.
All right, your turn, honey.
I got it. I win.
Amazing job, sweetie.
The stars call humanity onward.
The human spirit thrives even on distant worlds. The future remembers those who dared to explore. The future remembers those who dared to explore. Mars becomes a stepping stone, not an endpoint.
The universe offers endless possibilities.
Humanity leaves its mark among the stars. Humanity's story now unfolds among the stars. Exploration never truly ends.